Okay, we are going to use this percolator for the very first time. It's actually got 2 cups to it. One of them we are going to fill up with water and put it in the bottom of the pot. Let's put coffee in the top. Let's see. The filter went on. Okay, he's got the coffee in, he's got the top on, he's got the cup on top. He's going to turn the burner on. He's turning it on high. Okay, this says it takes about 5 to 7 minutes, so we'll go ahead and see what happens. I'll come back in a few minutes. Just checking back. It hasn't started boiling yet. It does have a second cup, which I think's pretty cool. These are small. They'd fit good on those small camping stoves. Okay, we can see the clock in the background. I can start hearing it. Maybe we have it a little too full. Okay, just have to leave it. Right there, that looks purple, but it's really red. I'm not going to tighten it right now. We'll wait for about 2 more minutes, and if it doesn't start, then that means maybe we don't have it on tight enough. Okay, we'll come back after we tighten. Okay, the cap got screwed on the right way, and it looks like it's percolating a little bit. I think we made it pretty strong. Of course, not as strong as their directions say. Yeah, it's pretty strong. We're not drinking it out of that cup. We're just taste testing.